Dinesh, a migrant structural engineer with overseas experience, arrived in Australia 3 years ago. Jade, a domestic graduate structural engineer, completed her studies right here in Australia. Both were excited and ready to kickstart their careers in the construction and design industry. They applied for job after job and received rejection after rejection. To make ends meet, Dinesh became an Uber driver. Jade started working in a warehouse, picking and packing orders. 2 years later, they're still stuck in unrelated jobs. Their confidence shattered. Their chances of landing a role in their field even lower. Why? Because they're now competing with candidates who have stayed active in the industry without a technical gap. Stories like Dinesh's and Jade's are far too common. You've probably heard the saying, when you want to change your situation, focus on what's within your control. So what do you think was within their control? The answer? Tackling the root causes of those rejections they were receiving. And the primary barrier? The lack of local experience. How did Dinesh and Jade overcome this challenge? How did they gain the critical hands-on experience that made them job-ready and employable? This is just the first episode of Dinesh's and Jade's journey. Keep an eye on our social media for upcoming episodes to discover how they successfully entered the Australian design and construction field. Want to know more about how we can help you? Send us a DM now. Let's get you where you belong.